Choosing the right gaming motherboard can be overwhelming. Limited upgrade paths, weak VRM performance, outdated sockets, and missing NVMe support can seriously hold back your PC. A solid motherboard ensures stable power delivery, fast storage, and smooth gaming performance. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best gaming motherboards of 2026. Powerful, reliable, and perfect for budget builds or high-end gaming rigs. We researched specs and real user feedback to create this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Like, comment, and subscribe for more PC tech reviews. Number 5. QIYIDA X99 LGA 2011-3 Xeon Motherboard Set. The QIYIDA X99 Motherboard Set is a budget-friendly gaming and workstation combo built for LGA 2011-3 Xeon E5 2680V4 processors. It includes 16GB DDR4 2x8GB, offering solid multitasking and gaming support. With PCIe 3.0x16, SATA ports, and NVMe M.2 support, it delivers fast storage and GPU compatibility. Ideal for affordable high-core count builds, this kit is perfect for gamers who want strong performance without spending too much on modern platforms. Number 4. MOUGOL X99 Gaming Motherboard Kit. The MOUGOL X99 Kit pairs an Intel Xeon E5 2680V4 with DDR4 ECC memory for stable and reliable performance. Supporting M.2 NVMe storage, it ensures faster boot times and smoother gameplay. Designed for LGA 2011-3 CPUs, this board is a great option for gamers and content creators on a budget. With dual-channel RAM support and solid connectivity options, it provides balanced performance for gaming, streaming, and heavy multitasking workloads. Number 3. MACHINIST X99 PR9 Motherboard. The MACHINIST X99 PR9 supports LGA 2011-3 Intel Xeon E5 V3 and V4 CPUs, making it a powerful choice for budget gaming builds. It offers DDR4 RAM support, SATA ports, NVMe M.2 slot, and USB 3.0 connectivity for modern performance needs. With strong expansion options and reliable power delivery, it handles gaming, editing, and multitasking efficiently. This motherboard is ideal for users upgrading older systems into capable gaming machines. Number 2. SOYO B650M AM4 Gaming Motherboard. The SOYO B650M motherboard supports AMD AM4 Ryzen processors, including the Ryzen 5 5600, delivering excellent gaming value. With DDR4 memory support and M.2 NVMe storage, it ensures fast system responsiveness and stable performance. Its compact micro ATX design fits most gaming cases while still offering solid expansion options. Perfect for mid-range gaming PCs, this board balances affordability, compatibility, and reliable power for smooth 1080p and 1440p gameplay. Number 1. JGINYUE B650M Snowdream AM5 Motherboard. The JGINYUE B650M Snowdream is a modern AM5 gaming motherboard built for high-performance Ryzen CPUs like the 7800X3D and 9700X. Supporting DDR5 memory and PCIe 4.0 M.2 storage, it delivers next-generation speed and responsiveness. The stylish white design with ARGB lighting adds a premium gaming look. With strong power delivery and future-ready features, this board is perfect for gamers building a powerful and upgrade-friendly PC in 2026. A powerful motherboard is the foundation of every great gaming PC. From budget-friendly X99 Xeon kits to modern AM5 DDR5 platforms, these 5 options offer strong performance and great value. Whether you're upgrading or building new, there's a board here for every gamer. Which one would you choose? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.